Welcome everyone. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to rig a deep diving lure with crimps. So we're using crimps for everything that's like strength wise of the leader that's more than 120 pounds. So here we're using some Black Magic 200-pound leader. So pretty easy. First put the line through the eyelet. Yeah, put your crimp first on to the leader. And now we're just gonna do a loop back through the ring of the deep diver. And we're gonna do 2 wraps around the line. So, and that makes kind of a pretty solid loop. We tighten it up like this. And then we're gonna pull up the crimp it up, and that's the first part of the rigging. So try to come as close as you can to the loop. We're using some heavy duty crimp pliers. In that case, the big crimp goes onto the biggest slot, and then we want to have a nice steady crimp that gives you the best stability. Don't overdo it. And then you just move forward on that size of crimp. We're doing 2 crimps. Here you go, nice and steady, crimp down. And it should look like this. And that will hold, no worries. Good thing with this type of loop, the lure is working perfectly. Cut off as close as you can on the tag end, don't have too much, so this is one part. And then choose how long the leader would be. I'm usually using something between 2 and 3 meter leader. So for the other part that's gonna connect to your swivel that goes to the rod, put a crimp on, and then we're doing 1, 2, 3 times. Pull it tight, exactly like that, and then we're gonna put the crimp on. We'll crimp it up, and then we're crimping exactly like we did the end with the lure. So 2 crimps on the biggest setting, one nice crimp down. Yeah, exactly like this. And well, that's your finished rigged deep water lure. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a question in the comment. If you have a suggestion how you would do that differently, let us know as well. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you guys on the next one. Yeah, with those deep water lures or deep diving lures, we're catching trevally, barracuda, all sorts of fish, and Spanish mackerels as well. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you guys on the next one.